Welcome to the lesson. As we have seen in the last video that we have imported demo content. So now we will go to plugin option, install plugins. In installed plugins, we'll activate disable comments and then we'll go to setting. We do not want any unwanted comments. See, whenever we import dummy contents, demo contents or any starting kit, then we'll get a lot of comments. In SEO realm, it is counted as spam. So we'll select to delete everywhere, then we'll delete comments. So let us see if the comments has been deleted. Okay, now we'll disable comments. Okay, and then we'll go to writing. We'll click to update service. We'll open in a new tab. We'll copy these updated ping services and we'll paste it here and save. Okay. After that, let's see. Okay, we have already selected post name and we have set up the country options. Great. Okay. So now we'll go to customize option. We'll select site identity favicon. We'll select favicon from here. Okay. 1 crop and we'll upload logo, change logo. I'll select it from here, change, skip cropping and publish. In next video we'll be setting up SEO plugin and applying SEO tactics. See you in the next video.